Howdy folks, and good afternoon. Unfortunately it is afternoon. My open season has gone a bit pear-shaped, or as I say, tits up. First and foremost, I've got to say hello. So hello to Logan. Mate, sort it out. Fishing's not boring. Just get on the bank with your dad and watch him do this fortnight dance he was doing last night, because he was getting bitten that much. He was dancing around like a right good one. So yeah, there we go, Jinxie. I'm sure it won't change anything, but yeah. Yeah, so I brought all the barbel gear with me. Come down to my club water. Did a bit of angling truss work, did a bit of club water work, and between all that, it's taken that much time. I now don't have time to get the barbel stuff out, so I've just got the perch rod out. So try for some perch and some chub. I have got my pike rod. If I find water I think is deep enough, because at the moment the Severn is pretty low. I'll just have to save the barbel bashing day for another evening or whatever. So yes, let's crack on and see if we can get a couple of fish out. Like a twad, I've left me polarised glasses in the car. I'm already running tight on time, so I'm not going back for them as well. To be fair, it's pretty clear, so apart from I'm fishing at a major distance, I'm not really going to need them. Oh my life, really? Oh, I saw him coming in. I thought it was going to be a nice chub. I could see a reflection. Bloomin, expect that. Oh mate, come out of it. Right, I've got a white trace on because I knew there's obviously there's pike in the Severn, so. And now he's going straight for that tree. No. He might ping off because the height I'm at compared to that, but we'll see. This is going to be an awkward landing. Come on. Let's hold the rod a bit more awkwardly. This might very well come off. Come on, in the nets, get in. So I've thankfully put the perch stuff on, and I've had a pike. Of course I've had a bloomin' pike. I'm not after pike, and not on this setup anyway. Ah, shit, that's my finger gone. Right, let's try this again. Now I've just tried to sort out my little finger. This fish has just destroyed. So as I was saying, got the perch stuff on the go, and this, it just nailed it. I thought it was a nice chub coming in, it clearly wasn't. Size 2, silver meps, nailed. Let's get it back. I don't need to watch any longer. Here we go, fish on. It's a nice perch, I think. Jubbly jubbly. Oh. Sink down. Fish on, perch. You can tell from the head shake. Definitely a perch. Nothing big, only little one. Oh, that was nice. Oi. Hey, thank you. It's not bad a fish at all. sands if I can. Fish on, another perch. Got some good egg clunks on that one. And it looks like there's a pike after him then as well. No, it's a much bigger perch right behind. Oh my life, look at this lot. What? They're attacking that perch. Oh, he spat the hook. Oh, let's see if they're still there. Will they? That's ridiculous. No way. Oh, there's a fish on the drop. Fish on, fish on. Little perch. Come on, mate. Whee! There's a predicament there we go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much, mate. Fish on. Oh, some nice bigger bags on that. See if we can keep this one on. Nothing massive, I don't think. Nice fish though. Oy, much bigger stamp there though. Lovely jubbly. Fish on. Oh, that's got some big egg clumps. I reckon that's a nice perch. Yep. We'll leave a net landing rather than swinging it in. Gonna look a tree first, and he doesn't shake the lure. Go on, in my net. And he has spat it as well. Let's have a quick look at you, mate. There's a few top in now. Very nice. Really a nappy, that's for sure. There, you're going to stick to his own, right. There's the hook. Off he goes. Fish on. Looks like another nice perch. Look at some proper. I think it is another nice perch. Yep. Another net worthy perch. Ooh. in the net and a bit of tree. What on earth has gone on here? Look at that. Over there. Slide that. There we go. Right. What on earth has gone on here? Look at that. Over there. Slide that. There we go. Right. Another really nice long perch. Will he give me long enough to? Fantastic. Must be a few of them down there, so let's get him back and see if we can get another one. Off he goes straight down. Fish on, little tiddly perch. Actually, it's not too tiddly. And he's got all three down. Right, which one comes out first? Right, there's one. And three. Thank you very much. See if there's another one down that way. Oh, yes. God blimey. For such a little fish, there's some head shakes on that one. Thank you very much. Righto folks, that's the end of my session today. And unfortunately, it's been another short, sharp session. So with a few blunders this morning, which has cost me a lot of time, I've kind of ditched the barbel stuff in the car and I've picked up the spinning rod. So I've just gone for chub and perch. Funnily enough, I've not had one chub today, not even a chub follow. The river behind me, it's very low where I am. And there's a couple of anglers that was in the water and they said it's warm water, so yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there, apart from maybe they're in the shade or just wait until this evening. Open day for me, yeah, it's been alright. It's not been as good as I wanted and there's no barbel on the bank, but I've still got it. I don't know if that came out or not. That was a big fish jumping over the back. So they're here. Yeah, so I've had a fish on the bank and, you know, I'm going home happy chappy really. So the weather's glorious. Like I say, it says it's 24 degrees. It feels a lot hotter than that. So I'm going to call it neck, get back and get the little and have a really big drink. So in a bit, guys. Catch you later.